today let's make something really simple. It will be some kind inflated fabric object. Mainly I will use hardtop for it. Let's start. So let's go to the top view. Shift A to add a plane. Let's scale it on x-axis. Ctrl A, apply rotation scale. Let's add one more plane. Let's go to edit mode. This pie menu is machine tools. If you're interested, makes my workflow much faster. Press M and merge at center. Now let's just extrude this bird a few times. For example, E to extrude, X to extrude, Shift D to duplicate the word, and do it a few more times. You'll see why I'm doing this. You'll see. Something like this, something very random maybe. Now let's bevel all vertices. So select a word, hit Ctrl B, and then press V, and add more segments. Let's bevel this 3, Ctrl B, then V. Let's bevel this 2, this 2. I could bevel all of them together, but I want to add some variation. And let's bevel this one. Oh, and this one left. Last one, I hope. Okay, good. Let's move it a bit up. Now, let's go to edit mode. E to extrude on Z. Now let's solidify. Let's go to edit mode and press Shift N to recalculate the normals. And make the solidify thickness really small, like 001. Yes. Now let's select this plane. Select the face and let's dice it. I think 180 edges be okay. Let's apply it. Move this a bit more down. Now select two objects. Q for hardtops menu, booleans, difference. Okay, good. And now Q, Ctrl sharpen to apply all modifiers. Yeah, looks good. Now, my favorite, let's add clove modifier. Q, add modifier, clove. This will be the most simple clove modifier. I'm telling you. Let's play it. Okay, we need to tweak gravity. Let's make it -0.5. Let's maybe play with shrink. How simple? How simple? Let's make it -0.4. And let's add 10 more for pressure. Press apply. Wait. Yeah, it's good. Close the operation. Ctrl 2 to add subdivisions. Yeah, looks good. It looks perfect. Perfect. Go to the top view. Shift A to add a camera. Control Alt 0. Let's change the resolution to something like this. Let's move the camera a bit. Okay, let's go to cycles, and for color management, let's choose AGX and medium high contrast. Let's go to render view. Okay, let's go to shader editor, world. Let's add HDR. Control T. I use Node Wrangler and Node Preview. The node. This one is not free. This is free. I will use HDR from HDR Heaven. I will link in the description. Peppermint power plant in 4K. Okay, let's select the object. New material. Let's make it really rough. 0.5. Let's make the world strength 175. Let's add a color ramp and gradient texture and make it quadratic. And let's add some colors. I think I'll use something like this. And for the second one, orange, summerish vibe. And let's add one in the middle. Something white. White, not white, it's yellow. Yeah. And make it easy. Let's tweak it a bit. Let's add some lights. I'll add lights with Quick Studio. I'm always very lazy to place lights by myself, so I use plugin Quick Studio, very good plugin. You can just add light setup. You can rotate it. You don't like it? No problem. Let's take another one. Let's try this one. Try one more. Let's try this one. Add light setup. Let's rotate it. And rotate on Y. Let's see. Yeah, I want something like this. And let's make it 40 watts for each. Yeah, perfect. Now let's add some decals. So let's add this decal, Blender. We love Blender. Let's go to the top view. Okay, let's scale it. I'm using decal machine. So press D, project. Sometimes I forget to say what I'm using. Sorry. Now good. Now good. And let's add one more decal. I'll use a decal from Sir Charles. He has really good decals, you know? He has like 5 collections of them. There are some cool graffitis, cool decal set, fingerprints. So I'll use one of them. I think graffiti really suits this scene. So Alt R to remove all rotation. And with Alt D, let's apply it. And let's make it white. Okay, I think it looks good. So let's see how many samples do we have. Okay, maybe 512 samples. The noise. Let's render. No. I need to do it again? No. I love Blender. Well, Blender didn't autosave. And I needed to do it all again. So my render may differ from all what I did before, but okay, it's okay. So let's add the render to Photoshop. And let's press Ctrl-Shift-A. Let's just tweak contrast and exposure, add some vibrance and saturation, add texture, and add some sharpening. Let's add a background. I think gradient. Color. Okay. Make it radial. Let's see. No, let's make it linear but diagonal. Yeah, like this. Good, I think. Maybe just a bit lighter for this one too. Yeah. I have downloaded some PNGs, these two just from Google. So I think we'll make it, we'll add some atmosphere and this tree. And let's add some text. So let's make it let's have this one. Yeah, and Ctrl-Shift-A-E, Ctrl-Shift-A. Let's add some grain, I think. Effects. Play with the curve. Yeah. Done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Blender, for crashing and not auto-saving. See ya in the next one.